let's pull back the curtain on the secret system that runs almost everything. It's called SCADA.
You ever wonder how a city just works? How it never seems to sleep?
Like how do millions of lights just flick on instantly, all at once? Or how clean water gets to your tap exactly when you need it? And how do massive factories get thousands of machines to work in perfect harmony? The answer is a system most people have never heard of. It's called SCADA.
Just think of it like the digital brain and nervous system for all modern industry.
So at the very heart of this whole thing, you have the master station.
This is the command center. It's where operators see everything and control the entire process.
But of course, a brain is useless without its senses. That's where remote units come in.
Out in the field, these RTUs are the eyes and ears, constantly measuring everything.
They use a special converter to turn those physical readings into digital data for the computer. But here's the thing. They don't just listen. They also act. They're the hands.
So they're the ones actually opening a valve, firing up a motor, or flipping a switch. So how does this brain talk to its eyes and hands over huge distances?
It's all through the communication network. You can think of it as the digital nervous system. Old systems used copper, but today it's all about fiber optics for pure speed. And this network has to be tough, fighting off things like noise that corrupt the signal.
So, what's the big takeaway here? This hidden system is absolutely vital to modern life.
The experts who build these things live by two golden rules. Keep it simple and scalable.
The goal is near perfect uptime. Why? Because when this system fails, it's a disaster.
So this leaves us with a huge question. Who's going to protect this digital brain?